the microphone. I don't know how it will be for with the wind. There is like a sock that comes with it that you put over the microphone, but I thought I'd test it without first. There's me being a hooligan. Yo, John! So, you should be able to hear me now, which is going to be cool for Nepal, and a bit of moto vlogging, although I've never done it before, but I think it's going to be quite cool. Everybody thinks about Dubai as this big glitzy city, which it is. You know, it has its fair share of sort of, you know, your nice restaurants, all that kind of crap, but for me it's all about getting out into the desert and seeing the real Middle East, you know. Anyway, let me just adjust this because there we go. Seeing the real Middle East, because it has a lot to offer, to be fair, and most of it, you know, people don't really see. So yeah, that's me. We've got a couple of trips coming up, most notably Nepal, little wheelie. Most notably Nepal. 3 weeks time, me and the boys heading out to Nepal for 11 days riding up a Mustang. This is what a lot of this vlogging and camera equipment, whatnot, is for. Because I want to start capturing my memories. I've been riding bikes my whole life and doing lots of big trips all the time solo, and yeah, never really, apart from the odd Instagram post, get anything down. So this is what this is all about now for me. I want to try and document some of my journey. If anybody finds it of interest, awesome, but quite honestly, even if I've just got something to look back on when I'm, you know, hopefully 80, and I'm no longer being in a position where I can stick the leg over the bike, then, you know, we're still out there getting it, or it's still at least being able to see. Yeah, buddy! Winter's nearly here, boys. Ah, right, well, I was going to stop for water. Is that Rich? Alright, mate. Hang on. I got music in. You alright?
We are going for the rescue mission.
Where?
Rescue mission, you want to join?
Nah. I'm gonna watch the sunset in the dunes and then go back.
Yeah, we are going there.
Yeah.
Come with us. You're going to Qudra inside?
Nah, just on the right hand side. How are you? You good?
I'm good.
We need to catch up, man.
Goodbye.
The rig's looking fucking good. My old pal. That'll do. Really need to lock the bike, but desert sunset on the T7, the weapon. Let's take this with me. Yeah, so I just bumped into my pal. Looks like he's off on a rescue mission, which they quite often are here. You know, people getting stuck. People getting stuck in the sand all the time. Oh, look at that. Every time I see it, I fall in love with it. It's flipping gorgeous. And before you tell me I'm not dressed for it, bear in mind it's 37. Although, as an Englishman, I'm finally getting used to it. Where is he? He's not come back past yet. I think we'll head up there on that dune and watch the sunset. One last time. One last time. Just pretty differently. Damn. There she goes for another day. Whole lot of nothing but peace. It's got some battle scars now. That's what it's for, no doubt. Prepare for the sand right there. Get that traction control off. We have got full tyres here, so that is quite something, that. That is quite something. It's the problem with summer. I've barely been out. Sand. Bit naughty that without the gear on, but it's very difficult not to. Back to the road. Oh, look at this sand here. you doing? I don't trust any of these people. Woo! And that's it. Home sweet home.